Nothing quite smells as good as fresh sautéed garlic. Its aroma is distinct and it has become a universal staple in almost every kitchen the world over. The reason why it's become that widely used in the culinary world is due to the flavor, but also because of its medicinal properties. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, fights chronic ailments, reduces inflammation, and it has the ability to control cholesterol. Allicin is one of the active compounds found in garlic that strengthens overall heart health. If that's all that garlic did, it would still be a great addition to any meal or home remedy, but garlic has also been used to treat fungal infections, lung issues, and digestive ailments. That's still not all that garlic can do. You can add it to traditional treatments as a supplemental treatment to regulate blood sugar, fight carcinogens, and chronic joint pain. In order to get the absolute maximum benefit to garlic's powerful properties, it's best to eat it raw. That way none of the active ingredients are lost in the process of cooking. If you just can't consume it raw, add another powerful natural ingredient as a complement: honey. These will happen when you mix garlic and honey and consume it on an empty stomach for a week, and find out how to mix the two ingredients at the end of this video. 1. Lowers blood pressure. Adding honey mixed with garlic and taken on an empty stomach for a week will help reduce and control blood pressure naturally. Reducing blood pressure goes a long way to improving overall cardiovascular health. 2. Bolsters the immune system. This natural duo has the power to kill the harmful fungi and microorganisms that lower our body's defenses. By doing so, it strengthens our immune systems, allowing us to stay healthier. 3. Promotes better circulation. Garlic's sulfur content, along with the anti-inflammatory properties of honey, promote better circulation by preventing clotting. They also work to strengthen our veins and reduce the probability of associated issues like thrombosis and varicose veins. 4. Controls bad cholesterol. Crushing raw garlic releases a compound called allicin, that flushes the bloodstream of surplus cholesterol found there. It can also help stabilize fat levels in the blood. 5. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation in the body has been associated with numerous chronic health disorders. Separately, garlic and honey both fight inflammation. Together they work even harder to reduce inflammation and provide relief for the symptoms associated with joint problems, water retention, and sore muscles. 6. Helps you get over the common cold quicker. Because it strengthens the immune system, the garlic and honey mixture, when taken over a long period of time, can fight the symptoms that accompany seasonal colds and the flu. 7. Fights cough. Honey works well to coat your throat, calming the irritated area and letting you have a more productive cough to expel phlegm. Adding crushed garlic helps to fight bacteria and viral infections. Here's the simple recipe you can apply. Ingredients: 1 cup of honey, 335 grams. 10 cloves of garlic. 1 glass jar with a lid. Instructions: using a garlic press, crush all 10 cloves of garlic. Add the honey to the glass jar and mix in the garlic. Seal the jar and put it in the pantry or other dry and dark place for 7 days. Before breakfast every day for a week, dilute the syrup with warm water, or simply consume a tablespoon by itself. After a week, wait 2 more weeks, and then repeat the process. Make sure to store the mixture at room temperature so the honey doesn't crystallize, and it's always recommended to use the best, organic ingredients. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.